Full focus on your breathing. Your eyes are gently closed and you are focusing on your breathing. Inhale, exhale. Inhale करते वक्त now you all know पेट आपका बाहर को आएगा और full exhale. Just focus on your breathing. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Full focus on your breathing. Inhale, exhale. पूरा श्वास को भरें, पेट बाहर आएगा और पूरा श्वास को छोड़ें, पेट अंदर को जाएगा. Just monitor these activities. Inhale and exhale. Inhale, exhale. श्वास को पूरा भरें, श्वास को पूरा छोड़ें. Be vigilant. पूरा ध्यान श्वास और श्वास पर. Just focus on your breathing. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. लंबा गहरा श्वास भरेंगे. डीप इनहेल, पूरा लंग्स को भरें एंड रिलैक्स. दोनों हाथ नमस्कार मुद्रा में लेके आए, बोथ हैंड टुगेदर, और साथ में हमारे शांति मंत्र दोहराएंगे. ओम सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहे तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहे. ओम शांति शांति शांति. Rub your both palms, gentle massage of your face. Take your both hand behind. Exhale and पृथ्वी को नमन करेंगे. Your forehead to the ground. Inhale, come back. Relax. So we'll have Sukshma Vyayamas in a sitting mode, and we'll be starting with butterfly. दोनों पैरों को सीधा खोलें और one by one your heel to the pelvic region. जितना ला सकते हैं उतना लाने का प्रयास करें. And we are going to be there for at least few minutes. Both palm interlocked and just below your toe. Spine erected. पहले सही से पोस्चर बनाएं. Spine erected, गर्दन सीधी, हाथ एकदम खिंचे हुए हैं आपके. And now we'll start slow movement of your both legs. Maintain the posture. Keep moving. Slow movement in the butterfly mode for a few minutes. You're going to be a butterfly. Just feel that you are butterfly and visualize करें how the butterfly usually move, and you are also, these are your two wings. Keep moving slow and easy, and see the impact from your pelvic region until your knees. There's the maximum impact you will see. Keep moving slow. Now a little bit fast. थोड़ा तेज करें. Let both legs should be in a sync. There should not be imbalance. Keep moving. Both legs keep moving. Little bit more speed. When you increase the speed, जिनका possible हो, you'll both legs would hit the ground and come back. Now the complete speed, as much as you can, but with the comfort. Keep moving. Keep moving. Keep moving. Slow down. Slow down. Slow down. Slow down. And stop. And now bring your both palm on top of your knees and try to press them slowly and easily. Okay, just visualize how much easily you can do it, slow and easy. Try to bring them down as much as you can. जितना हो उतना ही लाएं, जबरदस्ती ना करें. Just listen to your physical body, that how much it is being allowed, and whoever can do much, and the maximum they will bring both legs down to the ground and hold. जो जहां तक जा सकता है होल्ड करें. पेल्विक रीजन में जो खिंचाव है उसको महसूस करें, विजुलाइज करें. You will have little pain in this area. तो खिंचाव आएगा थोड़ा सा. Hold for few seconds. Hold and release. And now taking your both feet forward around 6 to 8 inches, or as per your easily comfort, so that you can come down. And now gradually you'll be holding your both palm on top of your feet and bringing your elbow down to the ground. And here you have opportunity to touch your feet with your forehead. Exhale and slowly come down. Visualize the impact when you are in the final posture with normal breathing. Inhale and come back. Release your both legs. दोनों पैरों को खोलें और उसके बाद वापस अपने जो भी कंफर्टेबल आसन है उसमें आ जाए. And now we starting with hand stretching. दोनों हाथों को एक्सपेंड करें, both side, both palm inside, and let's have 5 round clock and anti-clock, slow and easy. Spine erected, गर्दन सीधी रखेंगे. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Anti-clock. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. दोनों हाथ सामने ले आए. Here again we'll have 5 clock, 5 anti-clock. Keep your both hands forward. Somehow it was disconnected. And now both palm up and down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Fist, दोनों हाथों से मुट्ठी बनाएं. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10 clock, 10 anti-clock, 9, 10. Slow and easy. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Open your both palm. और अगर किसी के कंधों में दर्द है, they can release it and they can bring it back again. और अगर नहीं दर्द है, they keep it at the, they keep holding. Okay. Both hands into both sides. And now your palm up, your both palm sky facing, and 1, slow and easy. Just follow me to see the impact at the each activity. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. इसके कंधों में दर्द हो गया हो, they will release their hand, relax, and then it'll come back again. Bring it down and come back again. Bring your both palm forward. 1, 2, 3, slow and easy. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. दोनों हाथ फिर साइड में लेके आए. फिर किसी के कंधे में दर्द है, they can release and come back again. And now fold your both hands, हाथों की उंगलियां कंधों के ऊपर, and then we'll have a complete circle, bringing both elbow forward and to the side. 1, 2, 5 clock, 5 anti-clock. 3, 4. This is good for the cervical issue. 5, 6, and anti-clock. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Open up and release your both hands. Relax. You can relax like this as well. Just relax your both hands. You can keep moving. Full relax. And now keep your right hand to the right side on the ground, and you will lift your left hand slowly above your head, your biceps with your ear, and now slowly you'll go towards exhale and go towards right. See the impact at the left muscle, at the left waist muscle. When you go towards right, the right hand आपका मुड़ता जाएगा, and be there, hold, inhale and come back. Release your left hand. Now lift your right hand slowly and easily. पूरा खींचे ऊपर को, and exhale and go towards left. Be there and visualize the impact on the right side, the waist muscle, and the right side, and the left side, waist muscle, which is getting more shankuchan. Inhale, release your right hand. And now bring your left hand to your right knee, taking your right hand behind, पीछे लेके जाएंगे, and turn your upper portion, twist and look towards back. पीछे right hand के कंधे को देखते हुए पीछे देखेंगे, and be there. Be there. Turn your head back, release your right hand, and similarly left, right hand on the left knee, left hand behind, and turn yourself. लेफ्ट वाले कंधे को देखते हुए पीछे देखेंगे. Be there. Be there. Be there. Come back. Release your both hand. And now take your both hand behind and will be complete making a full circle of with your upper portion. Just I'm demonstrating and then you will start. Okay, we'll have 5 clock, 5 anti-clock. So first you will come forward like this, and then you start the clock version. You go towards completely left, right, forward, and similarly 5 clock, 5 anti-clock. Let's start. Come forward, go towards right edge much. पीछे जाते हुए दोनों हाथों को जमीन पर लगाते हुए सपोर्ट ले सकते हैं. And then 2, 3, 4, slow and easy, 5, and now anti-clock, 1, 2, continue, 3, 4, slow and easy, 5, and now you can keep your both hand the side, both side, or when you can keep on your thighs, and we will be proceeding for neck movement. The 5 round, each round will have 3 different activities. And now bring your chin to the upper portion of your chest. Just be there in this posture first. And now we'll inhale and go back. आंखों को बंद और खुला जैसा चाहे रख सकते हैं. Exhale forward. सांस छोड़ते हुए आगे को लाएंगे. Slow and easy. सांस पे ध्यान दें और इम्पैक्ट को विजुलाइज करें. Exhale forward. And inhale to the center. 3 round each. Okay. And now the side twist starting from the right side. Okay. 3 round each. Inhale right. Exhale forward. Inhale left. Exhale forward. Inhale right. Exhale forward. Inhale left. Exhale forward. Inhale right. Exhale forward. Inhale left. Exhale forward. Slow and easy, visualizing the impact. Now the side bend. Inhale right. Exhale center. Inhale left. Exhale center. Inhale right. exhale, center. Heel left, exhale, center. Heel right, heel left, exhale, center. Now the complete circle. सबसे पहले चिन को चेस्ट के ऊपर लाएंगे और उसके बाद फॉरवर्ड में एक्सेल, और जब पीछे जाएंगे तो इनहेल. 3 clock, 3 anti clock. Inhale back. Slow and easy. बिल्कुल आराम से. एंटी क्लॉक. बिल्कुल स्लो. स्थिति में आ जाएं. नाउ बोथ शोल्डर्स मूवमेंट, हाथों को आगे लाते हुए. 1 2 3 and backward. 1 2 3. Relax. And now everyone go to Savasana. Lie down on your back. Take left right turn and you go to Shavasana. We'll be relaxing for a few seconds and then we'll proceed. Take left right turn and go to Savasana. Your both leg apart, at least 12 inches. Your both palm is sky facing. Your eyes are gently closed and just focus on your breathing. पूरा inhale करेंगे, पेट बाहर को आएगा, and complete exhale करेंगे, पेट अंदर को जाएगा. You will visualize the both movement, full focus, relax, full body relax, surrender to the ground. Slow and easy. Complete inhale करें और complete exhale करें. विजुलाइज करें जब आप इनहेल कर रहे हैं, पेट पूरा बाहर को जा रहा है. Diaphragm expanding. The lower lobe of lungs has been utilized. And exhale. Complete exhale. Just visualize these two movements. Be there in Savasana. Complete relaxing. Your eyes are gently closed. Your physical body surrender to the ground and you are focusing only on your breathing. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Inhale, exhale. यह स्थिति जो स्थिर हो और सुखमय हो, वही योग अभ्यास है. जब स्थिर होगी, सुखमय होगी, तभी तो हम जोड़ पाएंगे अपने आप से. If you be tired, how we are going to connect? Inhale and exhale. डीप इनहेल, लंबा गहरा सांस भरें and relax. Open your eyes, take left right turn and come back to your sitting posture in your comfortable आसन, जो भी आपके लिए कंफर्टेबल हो गया है ऑलरेडी. एंड चिन मुद्रा, स्पाइन इरेक्टेड, नेक स्ट्रेट, गर्दन एकदम सीधा रखते हुए आंखें बंद करें. और अब आंखें आपने बंद ही रखनी है. जिसने अगर देखना है इन बिटवीन दे विल ओपन एंड देन क्लोज इट. सिर्फ देखने के लिए खोलेंगे, एल्स यू विल कीप योर आईज क्लोज. Visualize the breathing for a few seconds and then we'll be proceeding for Kapalbhati. Just visualize, inhale and exhale. 3 times deep inhale and exhale. पूरा लंग्स को भरेंगे. Relax. One more time, deep inhale. Relax. One more time, deep inhale. Relax. And now we'll have 3 rounds of Kapalbhati with 30 stroke, 40 stroke, and 60 stroke. Let's start the first round. Focus on exhaling using your nostril and your पेट जो है अंदर को जाएगा while you're doing each and every. Just do it slow and easy with each count, money. Let's start the first round. Deep inhale. Relax. And now the next round, 40 stroke. Let's start the second round. Deep inhale. Relax. And now the third round, 60 stroke. कोशिश करें एक बार में अगर 7 स्ट्रोक कर पा रहे हैं तो, कम भी होते हैं तो not to worry. Let's start. Deep inhale. Relax. Just visualize the impact. Kapalbhati से जो हमारे energy points from your Manipur chakra to the center, your Sahasrara chakra, जो energy का flow हुआ है उसको visualize करें. Focusing on a breathing and visualizing the impact for some time. Just visualize the impact. कपाल आपका हेड रीजन है, उसको हम कपाल बोलते हैं. We all know. And never visualizing full exhale and full inhale. Now 3 times. Deep inhale and exhale. Relax. One more time. Deep inhale. Relax. One more time. Deep inhale. Relax. And now we'll be proceeding for Surya and then Chandra, Alom Vilom, and then the complete alternate nostril breathing. So, Nashika Mudra बनाएं. Your 2 fingers are open, other 2 are folded, you know now. And using your thumb for the right nostril and other 2 fingers for the left nostril. We'll be doing 10 rounds Surya Bhedi, 10 rounds Chandra Bhedi, and then 10 rounds alternate nostril. Let's start Surya Bhedi first. You will inhale from left and you will exhale from left. Now remember, deep inhale and exhale without noise. When you inhale, you will count 4, like 1, 2, 3, 4, complete inhale. And then count 8 for the complete exhale, 1:2. Okay. I'm counting for you. Just focus on the breathing, keeping the posture up to date. Whoever closed their right nostril means they have done from the left side. So they have done Chandra Bhedi. And now they will start from the other side, from the right nostril. Let's start. And now deep inhale once only and relax. And we'll proceed for alternate nostril. Anulom Bilom, both sides. So you will first close your right nostril and start from the left. Left inhale, 4 count. Right exhale, 8 count. Similarly, right inhale, 4 count, and left exhale, 8 count. And this would be 1 round. Similarly, 10 rounds. Okay, let's start. I'm counting for you, average time for everybody. You just focus on the count and the breathing. Enjoy it fully. पूरा ध्यान श्वास पर रखें. पोस्चर बनाए रखें. लेफ्ट हैंड चिन मुद्रा, स्पाइन इरेक्टेड, गर्दन एकदम सीधी है आपकी और आंखें जेंटली क्लोज्ड हैं. Most of you would have completed. Deep inhale and relax, bringing your right hand to chin mudra and relax. Visualize the impact. सूर्य भेदी, चंद्र भेदी और अनुलोम विलोम से जो आपके ब्रीथिंग सिस्टम में इम्पैक्ट है उसको विजुलाइज करेंगे कुछ सेकंड्स के लिए. मेंटेन द पोस्चर. अवेयरनेस पूरी रखें. पूरे योग अभ्यास के समय अवेयरनेस बराबर रखनी है. मेंटेन द पोस्चर. स्पाइन इरेक्टेड. दिन में भी कोशिश करें जब भी आप बैठते हैं स्पाइन इरेक्टेड रहे तो बहुत अच्छी बात है. मैं से स्पाइन इरेक्टेड मींस टेल से लेके हेड तक पूरा सीधा रहना चाहिए. By maintaining this posture, you can heal your whole body during the day. Focus on the breathing and visualizing the impact before we proceed for the next pranayama. Three times deep inhale and exhale. Relax. One more time, deep inhale. Relax. One more time, deep inhale. Relax. Now we'll be proceeding for कूलिंग प्राणायाम. शीतल देने वाले शीतल वायु को हम इनहेल करेंगे और एक्सहेल नोस्ट्रल से करेंगे. फर्स्ट शीतली, tongue twisted and out. Majority of you now aware about who are regular. Twist your tongue inside and bring it out. While inhaling, your focus has to be on tip of your tongue. Remember, okay? We will have 5 rounds of Sitali. Complete exhale from the nostril while closing your mouth. Second round. Third round. Inhale as much you can and exhale fully. Fourth round. Fifth round. Deep inhale. Relax. मुंह में अगर ड्राइनेस हुआ हो उसको फुलफिल करें with the help of your saliva. And now we'll proceed for Sitakari, where you will fold your tongue inside, and दांतों को लिप्स को खोले हुए inhale करेंगे the space between your teeth. Let's start with the first round. Second round. गर्दन सीधी रखें. Third round. Fourth round. Fifth round. Deep inhale. Relax. मुंह के अंदर जो ड्राइनेस आई है, शीतलता जो आपने महसूस की है, ड्राइनेस को फुलफिल करें और नेक्स्ट के लिए तैयार हो जाएं. सदंतका, where your tongue will be hanging, टम टिप जो जीभ का आपका बाहरी है, जो टिप है वो टीथ को टच करेगी, and then you will inhale from your space between your teeth. Let's start with the first round. Second round. Third round. Fourth round. Fifth round. Deep inhale. Relax. जो शीतली प्राणायाम से आपके मुंह से लेके फूड कैनाल से लेके लंग्स तक शीतल वायु का सेवन किया है, उसको विजुलाइज करें, उस शीतलता को विजुलाइज करें। मुंह इसमें ड्राई होता है तो आप फुलफिल कर सकते हैं, नॉट टू वरी अबाउट इट। जस्ट विजुलाइज द इम्पैक्ट फॉर a few seconds. Inhale, exhale. Fully inhale and fully exhale while visualizing the impact. कूलिंग प्राणायाम के इम्पैक्ट को विजुलाइज करें। पोजीशन मेंटेन रखें, पोस्चर को बराबर रखना है, स्पाइन इरेक्टेड, नेक स्ट्रेट, योर बोथ हैंड्स आर इन चिन मुद्रा। एक ही आसन पर बैठने का प्रयास करें, धीरे धीरे अभ्यास हो जाएगा। 3 बार लंबा गहरा श्वास लेके छोड़ेंगे। डीप इनहेल, one more time, deep inhale, relax. One more time, deep inhale, relax. And now we'll be proceeding for Bhramari, and you know that भ्रामरी में टंग आपका ऊपर तालू में रहेगा और तीनों मोड में से आप किसी भी मुद्रा में रह सकते हो। नॉर्मल चिन मुद्रा, कीपिंग योर इंडेक्स फिंगर इनसाइड योर ईयर, और तीनों आंखों के ऊपर, इंडेक्स अबव योर आईब्रो एंड अंगूठा कान के अंदर। Either of three you can maintain. Let's start the first round. We'll have 9 rounds. I'm counting for you. Just focus on your full exhale and Nakara Bhaure Ka Gunjan. Second round, deep inhale. Third round. Fourth round. Fifth round. Sixth round. Seventh round. Eighth round. Last round. Deep inhale. Relax. कुछ सेकंड्स के लिए इस भ्रामरी प्राणायाम का इम्पैक्ट विजुलाइज करेंगे पूरे मस्तिष्क में, थ्रोट रीजन एंड चेस्ट, इन एरियाज में जो हमारे चक्र हैं उसको ये एक्टिवेट करने में those energy points will definitely get further activated and you will see the impact when you practice these things regularly. भ्रामरी से हमारी याददाश्त भी मजबूत होती है. Our memory improves for sure. With the age factor, usually our memory slow down, but when we do such practices, we can definitely maintain the level of our memory. Just visualize the impact while focusing on your breathing. Inhale, exhale. Full inhale and full exhale. गर्दन सीधी रखें, दोनों हाथ चिन्ह मुद्रा में हैं. Maintain the posture. Spine erected. Three times. Deep inhale and exhale. Relax. One more time. Relax. One more time. Relax. And now we'll be doing 5 rounds Akara, 5 rounds Ukara, and 5 rounds complete Om Nad. Remember, Akara, your focus will be on your Nabhi region, Ukara, chest, and Makara, your throat region, and tongue will be hanging when you will be doing the Makara. Third, the first 5 rounds with Akara, deep inhale and ensure that Akara you are bringing from inside, not from the throat region. It should not be like this. No, it should be inside. Let's start with the first round. Deep inhale. Second round. थर्ड राउंड, जितना डीप इनहेल करेंगे आकार का आनंद ले पाएंगे। फोर्थ राउंड, फिफ्थ राउंड, लास्ट राउंड, deep inhale, relax. Now with Ukara, 5 round. First round start. सेकेंड राउंड, दोनों लिप्स से सर्किल बनाएं एंड उकारा। थर्ड राउंड, फोर्थ राउंड, फिफ्थ राउंड, deep inhale, relax. And now I'll proceed with Makara. Deep inhale. Second round. Third round. Fourth round. Fifth round. Deep inhale. Relax. And now we'll proceed for complete Omkar. While practicing Makar in a flow, visualize between your eyebrows, Agnya Chakra, and try to see the symbol of Omkar. Inhale. Second round. Third round. Fourth round. Fifth round. Deep inhale. Relax. And now just follow with me, focusing on your Ajna Chakra and try to visualize Om symbol. कोई और विचार आपके मन में नहीं आएगा. आम 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 आम. आम 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 आम. The last round. Am 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 am. Deep inhale and relax. शांत होते जाएंगे. Just relax, relax and relax. पूरे शरीर को एकदम शिथिल छोड़ दें. पोस्चर बना के रखें. अवेयरनेस पूरी रखेंगे. स्पाइन इरेक्टेड, नेक स्ट्रेट, chin mudra, and just visualize your whole physical body for a few seconds before the closure. Just visualize the impact in the whole body from toe to the head, head to the toe. After the closure, I'll request all to go to Savasana for at least 2-3 minutes. Just visualize your whole body. पूरे शरीर में जो चेंजेस आए हैं, आपके अंदर सकारात्मक का जो प्रभाव बढ़ा है, पॉजिटिविटी हैज गॉन अप. पूरा शरीर आपका पहले से और बेहतरीन स्वस्थ हो गया है. पहले भी आप स्वास्थ्य से और ज्यादा स्वस्थ होते जा रहे हैं. All internal organs are supporting in a much better way. They are functioning. They are more happy now. Just visualize and feel the impact. पूरे अभ्यास का इम्पैक्ट महसूस करें पूरे शरीर में. लंबा गहरा श्वास भरेंगे. डीप इनहेल. सभी लोग नमस्कार मुद्रा में आ जाएं. we'll have शांति मंत्र together. ओम सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः, सर्वे सन्तु निरामयः, सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु, मा कश्चित् दुःखभाग् भवेत्. ओम शांति शांति शांति. Rub your both palms together. Gentle rub, 20 to 30 counts minimum. And then your gentle massage of your face. जो आपके हाथों में जो एनर्जी का प्रवाह हुआ है वो आपके सारे शरीर को स्वस्थ करेगा। और दोनों पाम लाके आंखों को ब्लिंक करते हुए खोलेंगे, बोथ हैंड बिहाइंड, एक्सेल और पृथ्वी को नमन करें। यू फोरहेड टू द ग्राउंड, इनहेल एंड कम बैक। थैंक यू वेरी मच। नमस्कार। आप सभी लोग को समय हो तो 2-3 मिनट के लिए यू कैन गो टू शवासना, जस्ट रिलैक्स एंड देन यू कैन कंटिन्यू डे।